Welcome to Skincare Gurus, your go-to podcast for everything skincare. Whether you're a glow-getter, beauty beginner, or a seasoned skincare junkie, we've got you covered. Each week, we dive into the latest skincare trends, breaking beauty news, expert tips, and product deep dives to help you achieve radiant, healthy skin at every age.
From K-beauty secrets and ingredient spotlights to debunking myths and building effective routines, we deliver honest, research-backed insights with a touch of fun and real-world advice.
We're hosted by trusted beauty insiders and skincare entrepreneurs, bringing you smart guidance to help you shop smarter, care better, and glow brighter.
New episodes every week. Follow or subscribe now on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen so you never miss a glow-up.
And you can shop featured products and explore more over at kbeauty-usa.com.
Definitely.
So today, we're taking a really fascinating deep dive into a product that promises radiant, youthful skin straight from the heart of K-beauty innovation.
K-beauty. Always interesting stuff coming from there.
Totally. We're talking about the Riman ICD Dermatology First Package. We've meticulously gathered insights from product pages, detailed briefings, system guides, all the good stuff to bring you the need-to-know info.
Right. And our mission today is basically to unpack this Riman package. It's a booster and serum set to understand its claims, sure, but also the key ingredients, how you're actually supposed to use it, and importantly, the science behind it.
Like a shortcut to understanding what makes it tick.
Exactly. And maybe how it, stands out in what's a very crowded market these days.
For sure. So if you're curious about cutting-edge skincare or just how Korean beauty keeps, pushing the envelope for skin health, you are definitely in the right place. Okay, let's unpack this.
Let's do it.
So at its heart, this Riman ICD Dermatology First Package, it's called a booster and serum set. Now, this idea of them working synergistically sounds really compelling. Can you maybe break that down a bit more? In practical terms, what does synergy mean for your skin here? How does 1 + 1 = 3?
Yeah, good question. So it's positioned as this highly functional, dermatologically effective system for comprehensive skin health and anti-aging. Now, synergy here means the booster and the serum, they're formulated specifically to enhance each other's effects.
Okay.
So they're not just, two good products you slap on one after the other. Their ingredients are actually designed to interact to create a greater overall impact than either one could manage on its own.
Gotcha.
Their core claims cover a lot of ground. They promise deep hydration, and that's both immediate, right after you put it on.
That instant quench feeling.
Exactly. But also long-term hydration, helping your skin hold on to moisture better throughout the day and night too.
Right, so it's not just a quick fix. It's actually building up the skin's moisture reserves over time, creating lasting hydration.
Precisely. And beyond that hydration piece, which is fundamental, it aims to boost skin radiance and even skin tone. So tackling things like dullness, maybe some uneven patches.
Common concerns.
Very common. And then for aging signs, it claims to significantly improve wrinkles and signs of aging and even tighten saggy skin. So think overall firmness, elasticity, getting that youthful bounce back.
Wow, that is a lot of promises. Like a total skin overhaul almost. And thinking about today's world, our skin gets hit by so much pollution, UV. Does the system help with that protective side?
Yes, absolutely. That's a key part.
Yeah.
It also aims to protect the skin from environmental stressors, like the ones you mentioned, and actively restore its strength.
Okay.
So it's making your skin more resilient, basically, more able to defend itself against those daily attacks, which leads to healthier, brighter, just more robust skin overall.
Yeah.
It really is aiming for that comprehensive effect.
Okay, now one of the most intriguing bits we found was the application method. They call it Boo for ultimate hydration.
Chuckles.
Yeah.
The name's catchy.
It sounds like a little dance for your face. I love how K-beauty often has these really thoughtful multi-step routines. Can you walk us through this one? How does this layering actually maximize the benefits? What's happening on the skin?
Right. It's a very specific layered approach.
Mm-hmm.
Very K-beauty in that sense, thinking about skin flooding or building those moisture layers. So the ritual starts with step 1. You spray the Booster EX onto your face.
Okay.
And you don't just move on immediately. You let it absorb for a few minutes. This first mist kind of preps the skin, softens it, makes it more receptive to what's coming next, like opening the door.
Makes sense. Priming the canvas.
Mm-hmm.
So after that prep step, then comes the serum.
Exactly. Step 2, you apply droplets of the Serum EX, forehead, cheeks,
Mm-hmm.
then you gently massage it in. This gets those concentrated serum ingredients really work into the skin, targeting the specific concerns like lines or tone.
Right. And then the boo part comes back, the second boost.
You got it? Step 3, you spray the booster EX again.
Ah.
And the sources say this second spray is really crucial for enhanced skin hydration and basically locking everything in. It seals in the serum benefits, adds another moisture layer, stops things evaporating, makes sure all that goodness gets absorbed and stays there.
Wow, that layering strategy sounds really smart. That's the Boosie Boo, creates that plump, dewy look that lasts.
Exactly. That's the idea behind it.
So it's not just these two products in isolation, it's part of a bigger picture. The sources say it's the 5th, 7th steps in the expert Riman ritual, coming after step 4, the calming balance gel.
Right.
And you use it morning and night. It really shows that multi-step, sort of holistic K-beauty approach. And you finish with a cream, don't you?
Yes, good point. You finish by applying the active cream EX. There's a spatula provides you massage that in. That's the final seal, the final barrier of moisture and nourishment.
Right.
Keeps everything nicely tucked in.
This layering thing really is a cornerstone, isn't it? Okay, so beyond the ritual, let's get into the really juicy stuff, the ingredients. What makes these products actually work? We heard plant-based extracts and proprietary complexes. What are the stars here?
Well, what's immediately striking is the incredibly high concentration of giant pool leaf water. It's 88% of the booster.
88%.
Yeah, and 81% of the serum. Now, this ingredient, you might know it better as Centella asiatica, or cica.
Oh, cica. Yeah, everyone talks about cica.
Exactly. It's huge for soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Plus, it has great antioxidant and skin rejuvenating benefits. But the key here is the concentration. A lot of products have cica, but having it as the main base, 88% and 81%, that's massive. It means you're getting intense soothing right from the get-go. It's not just a sprinkle, it's the foundation.
That is powerful, having such a high percentage of something so well-known and beneficial right up front. Okay, what else is doing the heavy lifting in these formulas?
Another really key one is NMN. That stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide.
NM.
It's a derivative of niacinamide, and it's a precursor to NAD plus Muno, which is really critical for cellular energy and repair processes in the body.
Oh, interesting.
So in skincare, NMN boasts powerful antioxidant care and improves the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. What's exciting here is that NMN is pretty cutting edge, even in the wider health and longevity space. Bringing it into skincare suggests a really proactive approach to anti-aging, working at a deeper cellular level, not just superficially.
Wow, so like helping your skin cells act younger from within, that sounds pretty advanced.
It represents that kind of biotech innovation moving into beauty, yeah.
And then there are specific star ingredients for each product, right, targeting different things. In the Booster EX, there's something called Rejuviome Bar.
That's right, Rejuviomase.
Yeah.
Think of this one as like your skin's microscopic repair crew. It's described as a unique enzyme known for its ability to support DNA repair. So it helps reduce the daily damage that builds up from things like too much sun exposure or pollution. It's actively helping mend that wear and tear on your skin's DNA.
So it's not just preventing damage, it's helping fix it after it happens.
That's the idea, helping stop that damage accumulating into visible aging over time.
Very cool. And then in the Serum EX, it's Filerstin. What's that about?
Yes, Filerstin. This one is a microbiome-focused extract. So you know how people talk about the gut microbiome for overall health?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, your skin has its own microbiome too, a community of bacteria. Filerstin works to support a healthy balance in that skin microbiome.
Great.
A balanced microbiome means stronger skin defenses. It helps your skin resist environmental damage better and fight off signs of aging, building resilience from the inside out, essentially.
Fascinating. So you've got the cica for soothing, NMN for cellular repair, Rejuviome for DNA repair, and Filerstin for the microbiome. It's like hitting aging and damage from all angles.
Pretty much. And beyond those stars, the ingredients list is, like you said, really comprehensive. You've got amino acids, glycine, serine, tons of fruit extracts like acai, blackberry, raspberry, blueberry, cranberry, ginseng.
A whole fruit salad.
Chuckles, kind of, plus other skin lovers. Vitamins, ceramides, peptides, hyaluronic acid. It's a real blend designed for multiple benefits. Ticks a lot of boxes.
It definitely sounds like a robust formulation, very typical of that multitasking approach we see in top K beauty. Okay, but for many people listening, claims are one thing, proof is another. What kind of scientific backup does this product have? That 99.7% improvement in skin radiance number sounds well, incredibly high.
It does catch your eye, doesn't it?
Yeah. For listeners who might be a bit skeptical, what does a percentage like that usually mean in a clinical study? And how do they even measure radiance?
Right, good questions. The sources are specific here. That 99.7% improvement in skin radiance figure comes from a clinical study done by P&K Dermatology Clinical Research Center Co., Ltd.
Okay, so they name the center. That adds some credibility.
It does. And radiance, in clinical terms, usually involves measuring increases in skin brightness, luminosity, maybe evenness of tone. Often they use instruments to objectively measure how light reflects off the skin's surface.
Yeah.
It's not just someone saying, oh, it looks brighter.
Gotcha. Objective measurements. And what about the study itself? Who was in it? When did it happen?
The test period was given as November 4, 2024, December 5, 2024, so about a month. And it involved 39 adult women aged 33 to 65.
Okay, so 39 women, broad age range, measured over a month. That gives us a decent picture.
Yeah, it shows they focused on measuring that specific outcome, radiance, within that demographic over that time.
And beyond the science, there are also those ethical claims and certifications. Those are huge for a lot of consumers now. The sources say it's German Derma tested.
Which suggests high dermatological safety standards.
Right. And all natural ingredients, cruelty-free.
Very important factors for many shoppers.
And sustainably made. That's another big one, the environmental aspect. Having those badges definitely adds peace of mind, doesn't it?
Absolutely. These certifications address quality, safety, ethics, environmental impact, things that go beyond just the immediate results on your skin, but align with, wider consumer values today.
Definitely. Okay, so we know what it is, how to use it, what's in it, the science. Now, for listeners thinking, okay, I'm curious, where can they actually find this? Riman is positioned as the #1KBeauty skincare brand in South Korea and in the USA. That's a pretty bold claim.
It is a strong positioning. The primary place mentioned in the sources is kbeauty-usa.com. They're listed as the official online retailer and distributor for both the USA and Canada.
kbeauty-usa.com. Got it. And what about the price? I think I saw a specific number.
Yes. The Riman ICD Dermatology First Package, the regular price is $115 USD. But currently it's listed on sale for $90 USD on kbeauty-usa.com.
$90. Okay, so that's $25 off.
Right. And it also mentioned options for recurring or deferred purchase, so there might be some flexibility there too.
That's a decent saving. And actually, here's a savvy shopping tip for you listening. Our sources mentioned that kbeauty-usa.com offers free shipping on orders over $100.
Ah, good point.
So this package is $90 on sale. You're just under that free shipping mark. But if you added, say, just one more thing to your cart from their site, maybe a cleanser you need or a sheet mask treat, something small, you'd likely hit that $100 and unlock the free shipping.
Makes sense. Get a little extra K-Beauty goodness and save on the shipping cost.
Exactly. It's a smart way to maybe explore more from Riman or other brands on kbeauty-usa.com and really build out that effective K-Beauty routine. Get more glow for your buck,
Good tip. It encourages exploring the site and maybe building that synergistic routine beyond just the booster and serum.
Well, this has been a really thorough look at the Riman ICD Dermatology First Package, from that Boo See Boo ritual
Chuckles. Still love that name.
to those really cutting-edge ingredients like NMN, filarstine. It definitely seems like a system designed for really comprehensive skin health and getting that serious radiance.
For sure. And understanding how the parts work together, the synergy, plus having the clinical data and those ethical certifications, it does give you a deeper appreciation for what goes into modern K-beauty innovation. It's thoughtful, science-backed stuff.
So thinking about our listeners, what does this all mean for you and your own skincare journey? Maybe it makes you think about how your current products work together. Are they synergistic?
Good question to ask.
Or maybe it inspires you to look into some of these newer ingredients like NMN that tackle things like cell aging or environmental damage on a deeper level.
Right.
And considering that whole layering approach, maybe it's not just what you put on your skin, but how you layer it. And also thinking about those supporting choices, like looking for products that are sustainably made or cruelty-free. That conscious consumer angle is getting bigger and bigger.
An excellent point. Understanding the why behind the steps and the ingredients can really elevate your routine. It becomes less of a chore and more of an informed ritual for your skin's health.
Totally. And remember, you can find the Riman ICD Dermatology First Package currently on sale for $90 and explore that whole world of #1KBeauty products over at kbeauty-usa.com. And don't forget about that free shipping on orders over $100. We covered a lot today. We hope this deep dive leaves you feeling more informed, maybe a little more curious about K-Beauty. Until next time, keep exploring and keep glowing.